You're going to see a substantial price difference between grid-tied solar and off-grid battery-based solar. Main reason being the technologies are quite different. One of them uses batteries, the other one does not. You're always going to see a real return on investment and a much lower upfront cost with a grid-tied system. If you're a person that lives off the grid, you don't have the luxury of bringing utility lines in, or it's just not available, you're pretty much limited to an off-grid system. The big difference there is you've got the upfront cost of the batteries, and the inverter systems are quite different. There's charge controllers involved, which is something you don't need in a grid-tied system. There's just more equipment that make up that system. There's also the ongoing cost of batteries. At some point, you're going to replace those batteries. Depending on which type you have, you might see 5 years. I have people that get 10+ years out of batteries. Just depends on your system and the application, but there is an ongoing cost associated with off-grid solar.